Unlock the covers of crossbar towers on both ends and pull out the flat rubber strip from one end. Measure the distance between the towers along the aluminum bar and cut the striped rubber strip to that length. Put the stripped rubber strip on the crossbar, line up one end to the edge of the tower on top, and snap the strip into the T-track side by side. Cut the flat rubber into two short pieces in 3 inches or match the distance of the end space, then apply the short pieces at each end of the aluminum bar. For future adjusting requirements, the short strip piece could be up to 1 inch longer than the distance of each end. Once the strips line up smoothly, put the cover back on the towers. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions.